What if I told you the silent changes happening in your body aren't just reducing vitality, but could be systematically shutting down your intimate connection for good? Most men over 60 accept this as normal aging, but what's truly alarming is that this decline can accelerate, leading to irreversible tissue damage without them even realizing it. For generations, ancient healers understood one humble oil could protect a man's vigor well into his later years. This secret prevented the very stiffness and decline that modern life now accelerates, leaving millions of seniors feeling disconnected and powerless. They knew something modern medicine has forgotten. Startling new clinical reviews now confirm this ancient wisdom. Studies show specific natural compounds can improve tissue elasticity by over 16%. Even more concerning, research reveals unchecked inflammation in this area can silently destroy nerve sensitivity, a fact most men are completely unaware of. I'm Dr. Sarah, and I'm sharing some vital information about this natural approach. What I'm about to reveal could help restore your circulation, your confidence, and that deep, intimate connection you may have thought was lost forever. Subscribe now, because this video combines surprising new science with ancient wisdom every man over 60 deserves to know immediately. Before we dive in, tell me, where are you watching from today? Have you experienced these changes yourself? If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe for more vital health insights that could transform your well-being. Today, I'm going to share 3 important things with you that could change how you think about maintaining vitality as you age. First, I'll explain the real science behind why circulation becomes the foundation of so many intimate health concerns after 60. Second, I'll introduce you to a powerful 3-part approach that works from both inside and outside your body, combining the wisdom of ancient healers with modern research. And third, I'll give you the exact steps to create a safe, effective routine that you can discuss confidently with your healthcare team. Let me start by sharing Kenneth's story, one that perfectly illustrates what I see regularly in my practice. Kenneth is 68, a former postal worker from North Carolina who's been married to his wife Helen for 40 years. He's a father of 4 grown children and loves spending his retirement reading mystery novels. Kenneth came to me already working well with his doctor on managing his blood pressure. What he wanted was to understand if there were natural ways to support his circulation and restore some of the intimate connection he felt slipping away. I coordinated with his medical team, and together we developed an approach that included the very methods I'm sharing with you today. Within 8 weeks, Kenneth noticed he was waking up with more morning energy and feeling more confident about intimacy. His doctor was pleased with how Kenneth took an active role in his wellness routine while maintaining his prescribed medications. Today, Kenneth continues both his medical care and this natural approach, feeling like he's reclaimed an important part of himself. Here's what happens when your circulation begins to change with age. Your circulatory system works like the plumbing in your home. As we get older, these pipes can become less flexible and blood flow can slow down, which is completely natural. But just like how clean pipes help water flow smoothly through your house, supporting your blood vessels helps circulation reach every part of your body that needs nourishing. This is especially important for intimate health, because those tissues require excellent blood flow to function properly. Research shows that when we support this natural circulation process, it can help you feel more energetic and confident because your body is getting the nutrients and oxygen it needs where it needs them most. The wonderful thing is, this works with your body's own wisdom, not against it. What that means for you is better circulation doesn't just affect one area, it supports your energy, your mood, and your overall sense of vitality. But here's what surprised me most about circulation and intimate health. The solution isn't just about what you do externally. The most effective approach I've found combines support from the inside with gentle care from the outside. Let me explain the 3-part approach that makes all the difference. I call it supporting your circulation from every angle. Supporting from the inside. The power of natural anti-inflammatories. Think of inflammation like a small fire inside your pipes. When inflammation builds up over time, it can make blood flow less efficient. The good news is that certain natural compounds can help cool this fire and keep your circulation flowing smoothly. In my clinical experience, I've found 2 particularly effective options that work beautifully with medical care: ginger and pomegranate. Research from respected medical institutions supports this approach. Studies with people over 60 show that ginger, when used consistently, can help reduce inflammation markers in the blood and support healthy blood vessel function. The research that convinced me comes from comprehensive reviews published in established medical texts, showing that 12 grams of ginger daily can help support circulation and reduce inflammatory compounds. In my practice, when patients use ginger with their doctor's knowledge, they often report feeling more energetic and experiencing better blood flow. The science is encouraging, and the real-world results speak for themselves. Pomegranate offers even more impressive benefits. Studies published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine followed adults over 65 who drank pomegranate juice regularly for 1 year. The results showed up to a 30% reduction in oxidative stress markers. Those are the compounds that can damage blood vessels over time. Even more encouraging, participants showed significant improvements in overall cardiovascular health markers. What I find most compelling is that pomegranate doesn't just support your pipes, it helps protect them. Many of my patients tell me they feel more mentally sharp and physically energetic when they include pomegranate in their daily routine. I'd love to hear about your experience with natural circulation support. Have you found foods or drinks that seem to boost your energy and vitality? Share your story in the comments, I read every one, and your experiences help other viewers understand what's possible. Supporting from the outside. The ancient wisdom of castor oil. Now, while internal support is crucial, the external approach can be just as powerful. This is where the ancient wisdom I mentioned in our opening comes into play. Healthcare professionals I work with have reported remarkable results when patients combine internal support with gentle external massage using high-quality castor oil. The key word here is gentle. We're encouraging circulation, not forcing it. Here's exactly how this works. Research shows that structured evening self-massage, particularly when using moisturizing oils like castor oil, can improve tissue elasticity by up to 16 in adults over 60. This isn't just about the oil, it's about the combination of gentle stimulation, improved blood flow to the area, and the natural moisturizing properties working together. In a moment, I'll share the mistake most people make when trying this approach. It's about technique, not force. The science behind this is fascinating but simple. When you apply gentle pressure and movement to an area, you're essentially helping your pipes work more efficiently in that region. Combined with the natural properties of pure castor oil, this creates an environment where healthy circulation can flourish. The critical quality factor. Before I share the specific technique, let me address something crucial that my patients always ask about. Not all castor oil is created equal. You want to look for oil that's labeled cold-pressed and hexane-free. This ensures you're getting the purest form without harsh chemicals that could irritate sensitive skin. I always tell my patients that quality matters more than quantity when it comes to natural approaches. If this information has been helpful so far, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what I'm about to share next, the exact technique that makes all the difference, the gentle technique that changes everything. Here's the specific approach I teach my patients. What you need: high quality, cold pressed, hexane-free castor oil, about a teaspoon per application. When to do it: after your evening shower, before bed, when your skin is clean and slightly damp. How to do it: this is where technique matters most. Take a small amount of oil and warm it between your palms. Then, using very light pressure, massage the perineum area. That's the region between the scrotum and anus, where many important blood vessels are located. Use gentle circular motions for about 23 minutes, then extend the massage upward along the base of the penis. The key is gentle, consistent pressure. We're encouraging circulation, not trying to force immediate results. What to expect? Most of my patients notice improved morning energy within 23 weeks. Some feel changes sooner, others take longer. Both are perfectly normal. Consistency matters more than speed. Safety first, a critical point. Now, what I'm about to tell you is essential for your safety and success. This gentle massage technique is wonderfully beneficial for most men, but there are important situations where you need to be extra cautious or consult your doctor first. If you have diabetes, you need to ensure there are no small cuts or irritation in the area before applying any oil. Diabetes can affect healing, and we want to avoid any risk of infection. If you're dealing with prostate inflammation or have been diagnosed with prostate issues, Discuss this technique with your urologist first. They can advise whether gentle massage is appropriate for your specific situation. If you have any neuropathy or reduced sensation in the area, start with very light pressure and pay close attention to how your skin responds. Remember, if anything feels uncomfortable or causes irritation, stop immediately and consult your healthcare provider. Creating your complete circulation support routine. Here's what brings everything together. The research shows that combining these approaches creates results that are greater than the sum of their parts. A comprehensive analysis indicates that when natural circulation support is combined with healthy lifestyle choices, microcirculation improvements can increase by up to 12 beyond what any single approach achieves alone. Your morning routine. Start your day with either a cup of warm water with fresh ginger slices or a small glass of pure pomegranate juice. This gives your circulation system the internal support it needs right from the start. Your evening routine. After your shower, take 23 minutes for the gentle castor oil massage I described. This external support works while you sleep, when your body does its most important repair work. Your daily foundation. Stay hydrated. Take a brisk 1,015-minute walk, and remember that these natural approaches work best when combined with the medical care you're already receiving. What questions would you ask your healthcare provider about adding these circulation support methods to your routine? Comment below your questions. Help me create better content and guide how I explain these topics to my patients. Working with your healthcare team, I always encourage my patients to discuss new wellness approaches with their medical providers. Most doctors appreciate when you take an active interest in your health and come prepared with research-based questions. Here's exactly what to say. Doctor, I've been learning about natural ways to support circulation, including using ginger, pomegranate, and gentle self-massage with castor oil. Do you see any concerns with adding these to my current treatment plan? This approach shows respect for their expertise while demonstrating your commitment to comprehensive health management. In my experience, doctors who see patients taking this kind of proactive approach are often very supportive. Your doctor knows your specific health picture better than anyone. They can advise whether these approaches are suitable for your particular situation, especially if you're taking blood pressure medications, blood thinners, or managing other conditions. Here's something most doctors don't tell their patients about natural circulation support. It's not about replacing medical treatment. It's about creating the optimal environment for your body to respond to treatment. When your circulation is well supported, your prescribed medications often work more effectively. The mistake that undermines everything now. Here's the mistake I see most often. Trying too hard, too fast. Whether it's with the internal supplements or the external massage, more is not better. Consistency with moderate amounts beats aggressive approaches every time. With ginger, a small piece fresh in hot water or a moderate supplement is perfect. Too much can cause stomach upset. With pomegranate, a small daily serving provides the benefits. Megadoses don't create mega results. With the massage, gentle pressure consistently applied is far more effective than aggressive manipulation that could cause irritation. Your body responds to gentle, consistent care much better than dramatic interventions. Real results take time, and that's good news. Let me share what I've learned after years of helping patients with circulation concerns. The approaches that work quickly rarely work permanently. But the methods that build gradually create lasting improvements. Kenneth, the patient I mentioned earlier, didn't see dramatic changes in his first week, but by week 3, his energy was noticeably better. By week 6, he felt confident about intimacy again. At 3 months, he told me he felt better than he had in years. That gradual improvement isn't a limitation, it's a sign that real, sustainable changes are happening in your circulation system. Quick fixes often fade just as fast as they appear, but when you support your body's natural processes consistently, the improvements tend to stay with you. This is exactly what I discuss with patients and their doctors. We're not looking for overnight miracles, we're building a foundation for lasting vitality. Addressing your specific concerns. Based on conversations with my patients, I know many of you have specific questions about safety and effectiveness. Let me address the most common ones. I'm taking blood pressure medication. Is this safe? The ginger and pomegranate are generally well tolerated, but always check with your doctor first. The gentle massage technique is typically fine, but your doctor can confirm based on your specific medications. How do I know if the castor oil is high quality? Look for organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free oil in a dark glass bottle. Avoid any oil that has a harsh chemical smell or seems overly processed. What if I don't see results right away? Remember, we're supporting natural processes, not forcing artificial responses. Give the approach 68 weeks of consistent use before evaluating effectiveness. Can I do this if I have prostate issues? This is exactly why the conversation with your healthcare provider is so important. They can guide you based on your specific diagnosis and treatment plan. The next insight will tie everything together, why this three-part approach works so well for men over 60, specifically. Why this works especially well. After 60, there's something beautiful about how our bodies respond to gentle, comprehensive care as we age. While younger men might rely on quick fixes or ignore circulation issues, men over 60 often find that holistic approaches work better than anything they tried in their younger years. Your body has decades of wisdom built up. When you support it with consistent, natural approaches that work with your physiology rather than against it, the response can be remarkable. The combination of internal anti-inflammatory support and external circulation encouragement creates what I call a circulation renaissance. Your blood flow improves, your energy increases, and your confidence returns naturally. This is particularly powerful when combined with the medical care you're already receiving, because everything works together to support your overall health picture. Your next steps. If this evidence-based approach resonates with you, here's exactly what to do. First, have that conversation with your healthcare provider. Show them you're informed and serious about supporting your health comprehensively. Second, source your high-quality ingredients. Find pure ginger root or supplements, 100 pomegranate juice or extract, and cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Third, start gradually. Begin with just one component, perhaps morning ginger tea, and add the others over a few weeks as your body adjusts. Fourth, be patient and consistent. Mark your calendar for a 68-week evaluation point, but pay attention to small improvements along the way. Most importantly, remember that you're not just addressing one concern, you're supporting your overall circulation, energy, and vitality in a way that benefits your entire body. If this evidence-based approach resonates with you, please subscribe for more wellness education that honors your relationship with your healthcare provider. And remember, I'm here to educate, not replace your doctor's care. The most powerful health improvements happen when natural wisdom and medical expertise work together. If this reminds you of someone who might benefit from this information, please share this video with them. Sometimes sharing knowledge is the kindest gift we can give, especially when it comes to helping fellow men reclaim their vitality and confidence. Next week, I'll be sharing the specific foods that can naturally boost testosterone levels after 60, another topic many of my patients ask about, and one that connects beautifully with circulation support. It's information every man over 60 should know about supporting their hormonal health naturally and safely. The path to lasting vitality isn't about fighting against time, it's about working wisely with your body's natural ability to heal, repair, and thrive. When you combine ancient wisdom with modern science, and natural approaches with medical care, remarkable things become possible at any age. Your circulation, your confidence, and your intimate connection don't have to be casualties of getting older. With the right knowledge, the right approach, and the right medical partnership, they can all be restored and maintained for years to come.